Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this fraction, negative 9 plus 9 times 10 over 9. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. Our fraction is equal to negative 9 plus 9 equals 0. So 0 times 10 divided by 9. 0 times any number gives us just 0. Okay, so 0 divided by 9. And this is equal to 0. But this answer is not correct. Now, our correct path. This fraction can be written as parentheses negative 9 plus 9 times 10 divided by 9. The numerator divided by denominator. Okay? And now, according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, first we do these parentheses. Okay? Because P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and finally addition, and A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. We first do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. So here first we have to handle these parentheses, and inside this parentheses we have one addition and one multiplication. Multiplication has higher priority than addition according to this rule. So first 9 times 10, which equals 90. So we have parentheses negative 9 plus 90 divided by 9. Now negative 9 plus 90 equals 81. So 81 divided by 9, which equals just 9. So our final answer to this problem is just 9.